If you're a contractor or service-based business owner and you're hearing a lot of people say things like, hey, you're too expensive, or we can't afford you. Well, it's not that you're too expensive or those people can't afford you. It's that your dream clients that want to pay just can't find your business. So, in this video, we're going to show you why that's happening and how to fix it. Super simple. So, here's what we're going to cover. First thing is, we're going to show you how to use your past clients to reveal exactly who your dream clients are. Most contractors, business owners, they skip this step, right? Two, we're going to show you silent mistakes your online presence is making, like your website, social media, and what's doing is making people repel customers away. Okay. Third thing, we're going to show you how to finally start showing up in the places where your dream clients are already searching, right? So let's get into the video. Number one, know who your dream client actually is. So the biggest thing that I hear a lot of people, especially contractors in Facebook group, is like, we need better leads or we need higher quality leads. What the hell does that mean? And when I ask them what is a good quality lead, they can't tell me. Or they'll say things like, oh, I want somebody ready to buy now. Well, that's bullshit. Like if you look in your market, right? In your market, 3 to 5% people are ready to buy now. 40 to 60% are ready to buy in the next 3 to 12 months. So if you're going after that 3 to 5%, you're never going to get them. Everybody's competing for that. What you need to be competing for is a 40 to 60% nobody's competing for. Put out content that's going to attract them. That's it. But back to the original point, people can't describe what their ideal customer is or what their dream customer is. They don't know how. So here's how we do it. Think back last year or your favorite job or favorite 5 jobs. Okay. Who paid full price? What was a smooth process? Who referred you out? And they were going to reverse engineer that. So where did they come from? Referral, Google ad, Facebook ad, social media, random. I just found your company online. What zip code were they in? What market? What kind of job was it? Was it a job that was profitable? Hopefully so, right? If you're charging the right margins. And what was the budget? What was the timeline? What was their personality? Like, how long did this take this job to close? What's the personality of the person that you closed with? Because this also doesn't happen by accident, right? In order to get this person, some type of pattern happened to attract them. Okay. And the problem with your marketing is it's not that you're getting lucky, right? It's you've got to create a pattern and you have a pattern, let me say, sorry, that you haven't built around your marketing yet. Okay. So something happened, a pattern happened that you got that person. Now you need to start building your marketing around that. Number two, big thing, your marketing is too generic. So generic marketing equals generic leads. This is why you keep pushing stuff out that feels generic or feels like, hey, we offer these services, but finally every once in a while you get that dream client come in. Well, you got to reverse engineer, figure out what you put out that is like, hey, this person came into our business. So what's happening now for most people is their mentality for local businesses is like, I just need to get my name out there. Well, that's great. That's a part of the process. So when they do that, they create websites that say things like, we do patios or fencing or landscaping or roofing, or we're a dentist office. And it's just too vague. The ads that they put out when they do paid ads, they just kind of talk to everybody because they're like, oh, well, if you're a homeowner and you have a roof, then you're my customer. No, you're not. And then their Google listings, like Google Business Profile, where they show up in Google, they never show up when people are actually searching in that market or area, whether it's ads or organic. So your dream clients aren't going to dig for you. If they don't see themselves in your marketing message and how you speak, they're gone. They're going to go to somebody else that does do those things or answers the phone. Because that's why, like in our business, when we bring clients onto our company at President Media, the first thing we do is we work on their marketing message. We make sure that we're dialing in who their ideal customers are. And usually you have more than one profile of ideal customers. And we create messaging around that to make sure we're getting people like that to be attracted to the business. Like this is number one, the first thing we fix. So how do we fix this? Get specific. I just said it really. Specific marketing attracts dream clients. So saying things on your website and social media, right, that are centered around things like this. We design outdoor kitchens for luxury homes in Birmingham, Alabama. So what do? We design outdoor kitchens, not we do outdoor landscaping or we do outdoor projects. We do it for luxury homes. Oh, okay. So if I have a luxury home, I have a nice home. That's what we do it for. and then it's in this marketer area. Now, this Birmingham's kind of a little generic, bad example. I would probably say in Birmingham to be saying like Mountain Brook or Hoover or Vestavia Hills, or these are more affluent, nicer neighborhoods that I would want to go for. So I would probably pinpoint one of those target areas that we live in. We install fences on large properties in Montgomery, Alabama, or in Pike Road, Alabama, to be more specific. God, did a terrible job here, but whatever. You get the point, right? It determines like what you do, who you do it for, and the area in which you do it in. So you have to be specific there, and this needs to be represented on your website, in your social media constantly, so people know who you service, because these are going to be more of your dream clients who are going to want to actually do business with you. Okay. So, number three, now you need to show up where people are actually searching for your business. Hey, dream clients are going to wait around for you. Dream clients don't wait for flyers or cold calls. They're going to Google, they're going to ask their friends. And if you're not showing up from referrals or on social media or Google or online your website, you just don't exist to them. Your company doesn't exist. Okay. So, how do we be visible? Here's three ways to show up where people are actually searching. Local SEO. Are you on the map, the Google Map pack? Are your services listed? Do you have photos of your dream jobs? You got to have social proof. You can't be like, we do luxury homes, and every project you show is for like a medium to small household income. Like, or, you can't do that. You'd be like, oh, tiny house, but we do luxury homes. But here's all the tiny house projects we've done. You've got to show projects that match the house of the customer you do. And that needs to be put on your Google Business profile on your website. All right. And then for local SEO, right? Are you doing a local SEO strategy? It's getting you to show up in maps and then show up in Google searches. That's the first thing that we do when we bring clients in our business. We make sure that they're showing up in those places, and we optimize those things along with fixing your marketing message. Go figure. Next website. Is it clear? Is it trust building? Does it speak to your dream client? That goes back to the previous thing we were talking about, where you're saying like we build privacy fences for luxury homes in Mountain Brook, Alabama. Boom, nailed it. And then referral system. Ask past clients to leave reviews, tag you, and share you in photos. Are you doing these things? Are you asking for referrals? Are you asking for reviews? Are you doing it when the job is completed? Are you getting them to tag you on social media and then share photos? One of the worst things you can do with social media is, one, not be present, and then two, not have one at all. Because I'll tell you this, we have a lawn care guy for my home, and he does a great job. He's fantastic. But the problem is, the other day, somebody was asking for that type of service, same kind of thing he does. And I wanted to recommend him, but the problem was I put his business in there, no Facebook page, no content. And he lost out on a potential referral for his business to somebody who's a fan of him, right? I was trying to refer him out, get people to call his business, but he didn't have one available. So that's the importance of being visible, right? Because to me, I would hope to be a dream client for him, because they show up, he does a job, he does a great job. I don't complain, and I pay on autopilot. I don't even think about it. Great client, right? It's just automatic for him. So keep that in mind for that part there. Now you know why your dream clients haven't been finding your business. So if you want the Dream Client Finder worksheet to help you work through this so you can go out and find your ideal customers that want to pay you lots of money, comment below Dream Client and we'll send it right over to you. No phone number, no email required. Just comment below and we'll get you over that so you can start going after your ideal customers.